nice and dark. Take an oil absorbing pad, put it up in here, split that boy in half, take the other one and put it there. Here we go. Yep. Come on. All right. Get this one out of the way since it's probably one of the cleaner ones I've done in a while. Alright, we're gonna put this in now. Get this out of there, wipe all that up. You have your oil drain in there, and I got your tires off, or your wheels off, getting ready to start on your spark plugs as well. So I wanted to take a measurement on those with you. So here we have 2.09 millimeters on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we got 1.10 millimeters. So you will see a quote for those rear tires there.